So this project is related to MATLAB Simulink simulations of conveyor robotic sorting system, which contains the pick and place report using the Simscape Multibody Simulink model, kinematics of Simulink model, and I have written the abstract with the industrial automation introduction. So this is our complete project, which contains the two robot 1 and robot 2, with the shuttles, and this shuttle tracks also. This is basically we call it in conveyor system, and these are the robots which pick the object and place in the conveyor belt system, and then this shuttle conveyor belt will move the object from one place to another place, and here this robot will pick the object from this conveyor belt and just place it here on the slider to place in this box basically. So this is a basic concept used in our complete MATLAB Simulink model, which we have used in these cases. There are two robots we have used. One is for the pick the object from the table to the shuttles, like to the conveyor, and the second one is robotic arm will pick the object and place the object to the slider to move from to another side basically. This is the automation structure of the complete industrial platform, which automates the running conditions machines, which automates the complete layout of the different like food services, like we can say this is automation structure provides the automation structures to the different industries like shoes industry, food industry, and steel industry, and any part of the automation of industry. Okay, so I have just written this, the motivation and significance. Basically, we have just used to automate the industrial process to reduce the labor cost, and the complete labor cost will be reduced according to through this automation process. And the role of Simulink, basically I have just developed the complete CAD models with the Simscape Multibody importer, and I have just imported the complete CAD model into MATLAB Simulink model. Then I have developed the state flow environment for the supervisory control, allowing the logic based control transitions between operational states such as idle, detect, pick, and place. Okay, see, these are the states basically in the automation sector. And the next one is the yes. Basically, we have used different toolbox like MATLAB Computer Vision toolbox and Simulink Coder as well. So problem statement is defined here. System overview with functional architecture. Basically, I have used the conveyor belt system with robotic manipulator and the vision detection unit. Basically, vision detection unit is means to detect the object, like the object is placed in front of robot or not. And then supervisory control means it uses the implementation of the state flow chart and the MATLAB control blocks to coordinate the activities basically. Okay. So in this complete system, we have used a DC motor subsystems with PID controller in the Simulink control system. Okay. So the detection system, we have used a camera and the different sensors like we called it photosensor, we called it Boolean object present signals. And yes, this is the design methodology which I have just explained to you, like what I have used, like how we can detect the object through vision camera, how we can detect the objects, how we can design the state flow diagrams for the with the different state, with the object detect with pick and place. These are the states we have used in this case. And the next part is basically MATLAB simulation results. Basically, this provide us the control system design, and yes, these are the complete flow of transitions. Idle, detect, pick, place, and assume, as I have just explained everything. So this is a MATLAB Simulink model for the conveyor belt and robotic system control. And yes, this one is the scene creation and configuration. This one is basically the state flow diagram, which is used to control the robot control logic. This is used for shuttle control logic. And next one is basically used for flowchart of system control logic. And yes, flowchart of system control logic. And next one is basically I have used the parameter tuning, performance optimization, and ball detection system, 3D camera, and deep learning object. Yes, this one. And this is basically defines how we can connect actor control sections, defines the motion of two robots, like in simulation of 3D actor or manual detection, camera-based detection. It depends on the client's requirement. So simulation of 3D robot block. This one is the Simulink 3D actor block, and this is the robot's body. Robot's body, basically. This is the final model of working prototype. Okay. So I have written the conclusion and reference. So let me just show you. I have recorded the video of that part. Basically, these are the MATLAB files contains, and let me just show you how the video is works.
This is the project which is related to conveyor-based system with robot. Let me just show you the output results like this. These are the output results. Let me just yes, just a second.
Basically, this is our board and the conveyor belt system. Okay. I'm just adjusting its position to view it to you. Okay. See, I have just adjusted its pick and place side. Our board is picking and place the objects here.
See, it is in movement condition right now. I'm going to place another side here. Then the conveyor belt moves here, and the movement of next part is here. Speed is slow because our MATLAB is just in slow mode. Okay. Okay. I have developed the complete system. You just check it and you can get it off the payment. Okay. See. move the object from one side to another side. See, this object is moving from this side.
So this working complete model is developed for the paper, and you just need to check it, and if you need to ask anything, you just ask me. I will answer your question. Okay, thank you.